This is an HP pen drive. But have you wondered about what's inside this pen drive? Today I'm going to be telling you about what exactly exists inside this pen drive. It's a very normal HP pen drive, you can see. Been heavily used and almost in brand new condition. Except that it's filled with fingerprints. Anyways, I'm going to be opening this pen drive right now. But how am I going to do that? It's gonna be taking me quite a lot of time, so I'm gonna see you when I finally manage to crack this thing open. So after a few days of me wrestling around, not days, few hours, I finally managed to crack this open. It has been so long that it's about 40 minutes. So this is what is there, and this is just the steel shell. It has nothing in it actually. So I'm gonna be now attempting to crack this thing open. This is a hard task though. So after a long time, I finally have managed to crack it open, as you can see, and now my camera is also stable. So the first thing I'm gonna be trying to do is try to explain. Now bear with me, there are gonna be a lot of audible noises. This is a very nice steel case though. It's very dusty. And for those of you guys who don't know, this is an 8 GB pen drive. So let me just get that off and show you what exactly is there in the inside. So on normal glance it looks really nice because it does have that really nice metal copper strips, what do you call those things, and it also does have some great amounts of dust. So now I don't exactly know about what to do with this thing because I don't know. I just simply don't know. So bear with me. I'm going to be spending some time trying to figure this thing out. So let's do this. So look at what I have ended up doing. So if you can see the flash drive, you just bend it over and put a lot of strength and do some odd things. If I'm not wrong, the metal bracket comes out, but this is so hard to open. I've also sacrificed a pen drive, so it will be really nice if you subscribe, and meanwhile I'm going to try opening this. See you after another more hours. Right, didn't even take me 2 seconds. Turns out that this little thing you see here, this little steel bracket, let me readjust my camera there. So if you take this and pull it out, you see that the metal bracket comes off easily. Mind my extremely dirty hands. If you open it, there's literally an SD card in here. And then there's just this bracket. Look at that. Let me yoink those things as well. And so observe this. So this is basically the whole point of an SD or a pen drive. Oh man. It's just another one of those. Whoa, look at that. So this is literally it. This is literally what a flash drive is. And just give me some more time. I'm gonna go find an SD card which I know looks quite similar. I kinda messed up and I'm not able to find the thing, but I certainly hope that you enjoyed the video. Please make sure that you subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment because it's really appreciated. I hope this new pro mode video shooting has helped in the recording because it's so hard to shoot using pro mode. You have to adjust the blur and everything every single second. Even the exposure has to be adjusted. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Peace out.